a video on static electricity. All you need is a cookie tray, bubbles, and a balloon. What you have to do is put some bubble solution on your cookie tray. This will give the bubbles a surface to float on. Next, you take your balloon and you rub it on your hair. Rubbing the balloon on my head will give it a static charge. Take your bubbles and you blow bubbles onto the cookie tray. Now I have a bubble cluster and I'm going to make the bubbles chase the balloon.
Ooh, it leaped up to get it. And move the balloon slowly across the tray.
Look, it follows it. And you could try making it leap.
Whoa, that was fast.
Whoa! Those bubbles tried to get to it. Oh,
That one was fast. Oh,
it popped!
okay, one more time. Come to me, Bubbles.
This way. Isn't that cool? I hope you had fun doing this on your own. Remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe if you like my videos.